Did he say don't eat? That brought me a lot of joy. What's going on, people of YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for another episode of the Rising of the Shield Hero. This is episode number 23. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more. Let me know down in the comment section you guys thought of this episode. Follow my Twitter, subscribe to Bro's YouTube channel. Links are all in the description. We're almost coming to an end of the first season, man. It's a sad day. We're gonna get through it. Let's see what's up with these new random people. You know, so yeah, without further ado, let's get right back into the show. Lark, THERESE and Lark. I couldn't understand her, but now for me understood her. The fuck? Oh, the shield translates. Oh, Philo. Iwata ni now for me. Oh, y'all niggas laughing at my nigga name? Hold up. They're using alias. At least pick the shield here. Wow. Asshole. Wow. He's a real asshole. Where are you getting this information from, dog? Not too far from that mark, I guess. Yeah, I think they're just gonna go with it. I don't trust you. I'll let the others know that if these niggas got motion sickness, that overpowered shield again. These niggas dragon slayers. Damn! Philo out here booting the fish. Or sharks. I mean, like, what if the grilled shark? Damn, she can swim. That's why I like all that extra fluff keeping her afloat. Well, some expensive shit, huh? Ooh, that looks nice. Gonna steal! I think I'm about to steal. If only you guys knew that vine, man. In for a hard night. Ha! It's bad news for them. Oh, they already made it. Okay. Calamita. Oh my god, nigga, you a zombie? Really? Bullshit. A guide to MMO etiquette. Shield translate. Yeah. The hell did he just do? What is that next to Philo's name? Oh, well, Philo's level. Is that the... I don't know. Yeah, I definitely expected him to be like, no. Let's go. Grind some levels. It's time. Out in the fields. Ha! Said, nigga, we can't find balloons, but we sure got these niggas that resemble balloons. Little slobs. It's whatever the fuck. Like the balloons. So effortlessly. Look at Philo out there putting in work. They all wanted to get... What the heck? Oh, that is it. Dang, the Philo kick. Dang, that shit punish. Yeah, goodness. Ooh. How's she gonna use that in her bird form? Oh, what, he hasn't been sleeping at all? It's Lala. And whatever her name is. Yeah. He uses a scythe? Or yeah. Looks like a scythe. Well, aren't you nice? Come by. Did you just knock into Raftali? Oh, is that? Oh, look. Oh, y'all arm wrestling. Look at her face. This is something we've never seen before. Look at her. She got a grown woman body and she out here drinking. I don't think. What are those, poisonous? Did he say don't eat? That brought me a lot of joy. Yeah, there's something to do with the shield? Or is he just not affected? She's crying? THERESE, what is wrong? Oh. God damn, she gave the bag. That's that bag. Give him all the money you have too. What? Is Nafi gonna... He's not gonna say anything? Okay, alright. Nafi, it's about the money. Nigga, it say no. I mean, the other heroes are like double that, so you know what I'm saying? It's nothing new. Or at least double Nafi's level. The fuck is those? Ugly ass penguins. He still don't believe my man's the shield hero, huh? Titties. Oh, she putting that joint to work. Hold up. Oh. On one fucking penguin though? God damn. Oh shit. That nigga on the roids. What is Philo gonna do? Oh, she made it so it doesn't affect him. Dang, they really be melting away. Is that healing? Oh shit. Y'all get the shit, we get the good stuff. What'd you get? So what level are you guys now? I'm curious. Oh shit. Did he just Yeah, he asked and all that. Yeah, and he got rejected. Oh, what the hell? Beach on the seafloor? Beach. Gotta put her ass into. You gotta put her. Wow, hilarious. Unexpected. Oh, it's a little dragon hourglass. Oh shit. Yeah, it looks extremely different. Can be attacked by a wave in 2 days. Damn. And that's the end. Well, yeah, I guess that's the end. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more. Let me know down in the comment section you guys thought this episode. Follow my Twitter, subscribe to Bros, YouTube channel, links are all in the description. That's gonna be it for today, guys. I am gone. Post credit. No, I gotta make sure now. Oh, nope.